Welcome to Berea Collision. We just wanted to invite you to come down and deal with a Christian-based organization. We answer to a higher person, so we have to make sure we do quality work. So we'd ask you to come down and visit our 15-bay facility. We've been doing expert work for over 10 years and actually doing collision work for over 30 years out of this location. We service the Sheriff's Department, the Police Department. We can basically do anything from a shine and a polish and an oil change all the way to a full body collision repair. You know, when you're dealing with a problem that you've just had your car in an accident, that's a bad situation. We make it easy to deal with the insurance companies. We make it easy to get you to and from the location. We'll pick you up, we'll service you, and we promise you when you pick your car up, it'll be right, it'll be clean, and we guarantee that. We just appreciate your business. Thank you. I'm standing with the owner of Berea Collision, David Powell. I just want to introduce him and let him say a few words about his business.
Yes, like he said, my name is David Powell. I'm the owner of Berea Collision. And I want to thank all the people out there that's brought their car to Berea Collision and the future customers. You know, you can trust this business. And what I do here is I write all the estimates. I talk to the people, I work with them on their deductibles. If you need a rental car, I set that up. Whatever your needs is, I will work with you. And at the end of the job, my job is also making sure your car is done right in a professional way. Thank you.
Good morning, everybody. We invite everybody on a Spanish community to come and visit us on Berea Collision Center. Tenemos servicios de español y los podemos ayudar en cualquier tipo de laminación y pintura y cualquier tipo de accidente. Vengan y visítenos. Recuerden, Berea Collision Center.
Thank you for taking care of my car. I appreciate it very much.
You're very welcome. And Marie, we also have a lifetime warranty on your car. Anything that we done to your car is warranted as long as you own your car, and if anything happens, just give us a call.
Thank you very much.
You're more than welcome.
And Enterprise will pick you up